Vises can be installed directly to the NewAge bamboo or stainless steel worktop and are typically placed in the front left or front right corner of the worktop. In addition to this video, please refer to the manual provided with your vise for any additional installation instructions. Start by moving anything that is blocking the bottom of the worktop, such as cabinets, workbench frames, or other items. This is important because you do not want the bolts hitting anything underneath the worktop. Place the fixed edge of the vise so that it is positioned past the edge of the worktop. This allows for larger items to extend past the work surface when placed in the vise. When you've decided on the position of the vise, mark the mounting holes of the vise on the top of the worktop. Drill pilot holes in the marked locations. Our worktops are solidly built, so start with a slow drill speed. Drill a small diameter hole and increase the size of the drilled hole until you have reached the size of the vise mounting holes. Use the hardware that is supplied with the vise. If no hardware is provided, use a minimum 2.5-inch length bolt in a diameter that fits your vise. Use a large washer and nut to secure the vise beneath the worktop. Hand tighten the nuts and then secure the vise to the worktop using 2 adjustable wrenches or socket wrenches. With the vise installed to your NewAge worktop, you can safely clamp items for all of your projects and hobbies.